let's take a look at the leather watch strap from Bellroy. This is an updated version that has improved fit and connection between the Apple Watch and the lugs. So this is the strap itself. I've been using this one for a day, so you're starting to see that natural wear-in that you get from leather. The outside of the strap is made of eco-tan leather, and the inside is a polymer material, which is like a soft rubbery material. It's super comfortable. These lugs are improved, so the way that they fit to the Apple Watch is better than the previous version. You have 2 loops here that help keep the strap in place when it's on your wrist. There's some nice little details on the strap, like this orange dot over here, which is a Bellroy signature color. Let's put the strap on the watch. This gives you that nice, satisfying click that you would expect. And this is the fit. It's really clean, which is something that's really hard to find when it comes to third-party bands. There are a lot of different holes to choose from, and the key is you want the watch to be a little loose, but not too tight. These 2 loops are perfect for keeping the strap tucked in here so it doesn't catch on anything. And here's the watch on wrist with the strap. I think this is a really great option to class up your watch, or just to have a more traditional watch feel and vibe. Thanks to Bellroy for sending me this watch band so I could show all of you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again.